Hey guys, Robert Lund here, Realty One Group Skyline. Today I am giving you a model tour of the Lantana by DR Horton. Today I am in Bella Lago, and this community is about half sold out. This is a one-story ranch floor plan, one of the most popular floor plans, almost over 2,000 square feet, 2,045 square feet, 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath. 2-car garage, guys. This is in Bella Lago. Nice clubhouse over there with a heated swimming pool, gym. There's actually 2 pools. Only one is heated though. But yeah, guys, DR Horton, one of the top volume builders in all of the country. This is Bella Lago in Parrish, Florida. I'm Robert Lund, new construction specialist in the area. I specialize in selling all these communities around in the Parrish area where it's booming right now. As you know, all the things that are coming in, and you can check out my channel as far as the hospital, the school, all the infrastructure, the roads, all the different communities coming in, over 25,000 homes, guys. And this is one of the hottest communities in Parrish right now, right next to North River Ranch, next to Prosperity Lakes, next to Summerwoods, right next to where the hospital is coming in is Bella Lago, guys. So we're gonna do a tour of the Lantana, and if you choose to work with me as your real estate agent, I give you an extra $2,000 bonus. I help you, walk you through the process. If you need to sell a home, I can help you sell a home. If you need to rent out a home, I can help you do that as well. It doesn't matter, anywhere in the state of Florida, guys. 941-879-4730, Robert Lund. Thank you very much, and let's check out this tour, guys, of the Lantana. All right, guys, so these homes do not come with the pavers, so this is just for the models. You know, you're probably not gonna get this door either, because a lot of this stuff is inventory right now, which means that it's already built and everything's picked out. So these are any upgrades you see in here are something that you would have to do after the fact. So you're just gonna get your white walls, carpet, tile. So as you come in, guys, you got a 2-bedroom, 1 bath off to the left. Like I said, this is over 2,000 square feet for 1 story. A 4-bedroom too. So it's pretty good size, guys, because then what you have this big wide hallway, you have a nice sized laundry room, which goes into the garage. Check out this 2-car garage. Oh, this has a little bit of an indenture, so yeah, there's the option for the sink and everything right there. So it has a little cove. Decent laundry. I know it's one of the most popular floor plans. I've sold one of these already in here. It has like this office thing off to the right. This is the extra room, the 4th bedroom, which is nice. And then you got here, guys, another half bath. So this is your half bath, hall bath. You got an office or a guest room. You come into this nice floor layout, guys. These are gonna come with your, your extra long, it's like the breakfast bar. Obviously that is an upgraded stone. The models here, but this is gonna be the same layout, guys, across the board for DR Horton. So it's just community by community is the finishes, it's gonna be different. That's usually the style of the area, the culture, things like that affect that. The cost to get the materials to that area and how fast, etc. So yeah, guys, this is your master. Enter into your master bath. Double vanity, and this has the recessed lighting, tub and shower. Check that out. Has the glass and the niche. Big wide space in the bathroom, so it's your little toilet room, and then you're gonna have your closets on both sides, so you can have 2 walk-ins. One here, and one here. So guys, so you get your tray ceiling in the master. Now in Bella Lago, you're gonna have all preserve lots, all water lots. This has the triple sliders. It's a nice water view here, big lanai. Check it out, guys. You can see why it's a popular floor plan. It's got the little niche here, which is nice because it's open, but you know, it has its own little set off there to the right, so it's just not like one big hallway. So yeah, guys, if you enjoy my model tours, hit the likes, hit the subscribe. Check out my other builders on there. I do a lot of active adult, a lot of Lennar, a lot of Prosperity Lakes, KB Homes, Sawgrass. Been doing this a long time, guys, and I specialize in the Parrish area, knowing all the inventory, all the communities, who has what. And you know, usually people will call me and they'll ask me for certain things, and then I'll come up with what I think is the best for right now, who's got what, right? And as you know, guys, the Fed had a meeting yesterday, so it's going to be interesting to see, because they said mentioned something about rate cuts. But the builders already have rate cuts, so they're already ahead of that game. They're already way ahead of that. They've got 4.99, 5.5. I've got some builders you start off with a 2.99, then you scale your way up to 4.99 fixed. All kinds of different things. Whether you don't pay any closing costs, you get your rebates, your closing costs, incentives. Plus I give the extra $2,000, guys, for working with me. And then if you list with me as well, I give you a discount on that. If you need your house rented out, if you want to turn it, be a landlord and turn your house into a rental, I'll do that service for free as well, guys. Check out my other videos, guys. Check out the Parrish School Zone video. Check out, the Moccasin Wallow Road video. Check out the Bella Lago video, guys. It's got a ton of views. Just go on my channel, check everything out, guys. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll keep them coming. Thank you.